Today, a Spanish tech site has managed to gain some key information of the P20 Lite through a person who has accessed the device. The publication has also obtained some images of what appears to be the actual Huawei P20 Lite smartphone. The source has confirmed that the Huawei P20 Lite will be arriving with a notch on its top bezel. The front camera present in the notch is said to carry support for facial recognition. The notch also features an earpiece and another sensor. The status bar that includes signal bars, battery capacity and time are located on the either sides of the notch. The publication claims that the handset features a 5.8-inch display and supports 18:9 aspect ratio. Other reports have suggested because of the notch, it will be supporting screen resolution of 1080 x 2280 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19:9. The dimensions of the P20 Lite are 148 x 71 x 7.2 mm. The backside of the handset features a glass panel. Even though the handset can be seen in a pale pinkish white color, it is also expected to arrive in black version. The rear side of the handset has a vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner. It is equipped with features like single LED flash and hybrid zoom feature that is also available with Huawei P10 camera. A fingerprint sensor is also present on its back. The metallic frame of the P20 Lite that has a rounded appeal that facilitates better grip. Its bottom edge features a 3.5mm audio jack, USB-C port and an external speaker. The presence of the USB-C port indicates that the handset supports fast charging capabilities for its 3000 mAh battery. The volume rocker and power button are present on the right side. The left edge houses a tray that supports 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a microSD card slot. Rumors have it that the Kirin 970 chipset will be powering the handset and it will come loaded with Android 8.0 Oreo. The publication has speculated that it may feature 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. Huawei has confirmed that it will be debuting its next generation flagship phones through a dedicated launch event on March 27. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.